In this video, I will show you 10 free AI tools that can help you make real money online in 2026. These tools are easy for beginners, need no investment, and many people are already earning daily income with them. Watch until the end because the last tool has very high earning potential. Let's begin. The first tool is ChatGPT. You can use it to write articles, scripts, posts, and ebooks in seconds. Many beginners earn money by selling this content online. The second tool is Canva AI. It helps you create thumbnails, logos, and social media designs automatically. You can sell design services even with no experience. The third tool is 11 Labs. It creates real, human-like voiceovers from text. You can use it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, and ads and earn money from clients. The fourth tool is Pictory. It turns text into full videos automatically. You can create faceless YouTube videos and earn from ads and affiliate links. Fifth tool is remove.bg. It removes photo backgrounds instantly and improves image quality. You can offer photo editing services online and get paid for each project. Tool number 6 is vidIQ. It helps you find viral topics, keywords, and titles for YouTube. Better topics mean more views and more income. Tool number 7 is Durable AI. It can create a full website in 1 minute without coding. You can build websites for small businesses and charge money for this service. Tool number 8 is MailChimp. It helps businesses send automatic emails and marketing messages. Email marketing is a high-paying online skill. Tool number 9 is Gumroad. You can sell digital products like ebooks, guides, or AI prompt packs. You create once and earn again and again. The final tool is Notion AI. It helps you organize ideas, create content, and manage online work in one place. Many creators use it to build full online income systems. If you want more simple videos about making money with AI, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications.